Hi guys, in today's video we are gonna see that how to fix the error app not installed. So first of all, you have to go to the settings and then you have to type unknown source. Once you get there, you have to click on install unknown apps. After that, you have to click on the Chrome if you're downloading it from the Chrome and it's not allowing you, or whatever it is, you have to click on it, and if it's not allowed, you have to allow it. It's the first step, and after that you have to go to the Play Store if you are downloading it from the Play Store and it's not letting you download it. So you have to click on this icon, and after that you can see the option Play Protect. You have to click on it and you have to click on this setting button. After that you have to turn these both options off. After that it will be solved, and I hope you like this video. If you enjoy the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this. Thank you so much.